Stars sprawl across the night sky as little specks of light. It's hard not to wonder at these faint dots. What mysteries lie out in the universe? Do these stars host other planets? And if so, can they or do they sustain life? Are there other planets like our own? These questions prompt astronomers into investigating the outer realms of the universe, where they have found exoplanets. Exoplanets are planets which orbit stars outside of our solar system. Our solar system, of course, hosts 8 planets, but what about other stars? There are multiple ways for astronomers to find exoplanets. One such technique is called the transit method. When looking for exoplanets, you must first measure the amount of light being emitted by a star. If something were to pass in front of the star, a portion of the light being emitted would be blocked, causing a slight dip in light. If the intensity of the dip is consistent and it follows a regular schedule, then astronomers use this information as evidence of an exoplanet. These transits can tell us a lot about the planets orbiting the distant stars. The dip in light can tell us the size of the planet. Furthermore, if the transit lasts longer, it can be assumed that the planet is in a further orbit away from the star. However, the transit method is not only useful for determining the size of a planet and its distance from the star, but also the composition of its atmosphere. This is because the light from the star passing through the atmosphere of the planet can hint at its composition. This study is called spectroscopy. Our atmosphere here on Earth is made up of 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.93% argon, 0.04% carbon dioxide, as well as small percentages of other gases. Since we know life can exist with this combination, if we were ever to detect a similar atmosphere, it would be a good place to search for extraterrestrial life. In addition, the existence of oxygen would be particularly important, as it may indicate the presence of photosynthetic organisms capable of changing their atmosphere. Some hardships involved in this method of discovery include the necessity of being in the same plane for the planet to pass in front of the star which faces the Earth. Some planets may never make a transit for astronomers on Earth to view. In addition, planets may take a considerably long time to orbit their star, and transits in front of the star viewable on Earth only last a fraction of their orbit. So if a star doesn't show signs of transits, it doesn't necessarily mean that the star has no planets orbiting it. Thanks for watching, and check out our other videos.